Good day, my name is Alvin F. Mateo, and today I'm presenting my project proposal titled Health and Fitness Awareness Program for Students. What motivated to do this project? What is significant? As a student, understand how important proper health and fitness and discipline are achieving success both in academic and the sports. I noticed that many students lack guidance when it comes to physical activity, nutrition, and mental wellness. This motivated to me to create this project because I want to promote healthier lifestyle inside our school community. The project is significant because it will support the overall well-being of students and encourage them to adopt healthy habits that can improve their academic performance, confidence, and daily life. Who will working with you? What are the roles? For this project, I will be working in project coordination, responsible for organization schedule and communicating with teachers. Content creators, it will be help to prepare instruction materials such as poster and videos and fitness guides. Training facilitators will be assist leading in basic workouts, warm-up, and demonstration. Health advocates, they will be help in promoting proper nutrition and hydration awareness. Each team will be a member play a vital role in making sure the project runs smoothly and they will reach main student as. What specific output do you expect? The expected outputs of this project, a series of short fitness videos for students, health awareness poster campaign, weekly beginner-friendly workout session, a fitness tracking sheet the student can use to monitor this progress, a final report summarizing participation, improvement, and feedback. How will you measure the project success and evaluate its impact? The success of the project will be measured through number of participation who joined fitness activities, student feedback collected through a short survey, observation, improvement, motivation, discipline, and lifestyle habits, engagement metrics such as a view and reaction of the share fitness video, completing rate of tracking sheets. Thank you for listening to my project proposal. I look forward to your approval and support for Project Fit Youth.